Hi students, so this is a quick video for all IFOA April 2024 planners. So IFOA has launched certain guidelines related to the new portal on which you can access your exams. So you must be aware that for all the exams other than CS, CM, CP2, CP3, the pattern of exams has changed in the sense that you can now access your exams using the new online portal. So for CS1 it is unchanged, it remains same. For CS2 it is same, for CM1 it is same, for CM2 it is same, for CP2, CP3 it is same. Rest for all other exams, the uploading pattern, the downloading pattern, the access way of accessing your new portal has changed, and there will be screen recording plus video recording. Your mic will be on. So this is the new update that as per IFOA April 2024 guidelines, your screen will get recorded as you will be accessing the exam on their new portal. Your mic will be on and your camera would be on. There would be invigilator assigned to you and your activities will be observed. So it's a very important update for all the students going for CB1, CB2, CP1 or other SPs and SA subjects. For CB1 and CB2 I have discussed this update in the individual orientation sessions as well. So if you have yet not watched that orientation session, do have a look at it. Do ask the team for the link for that session. Because for CB1 and CB2 we have another important update in terms of the exam pattern change, in the sense that it has now become MCQ. So it is objective based exam rather than subjective based exam, and the objective based will be assessed again. The timings of the exams has changed and the questions of exams have changed, but the syllabus is almost same except for the certain changes. So do watch your CB1 orientation lecture, latest lecture, CB2 orientation latest lecture to get the complete details related to exam changes for CB1 and CB2. Now in this video I will be just discussing the quick updates that are which are general and common for all the exams. So this is new exam system technical requirements. So if you type on Google IFOA new exam system technical requirements, you will land up to this page and you can clearly see what they have mentioned. We plan to introduce a new exam system in April 2024 for all subjects except CS, CM, CP2 and CP3. अब क्या क्या changes आए हैं? This new exam system will be on your Windows version 10 and 11. So all those who are using the old version of Windows, please upgrade your Windows version. Mac OS version referred is 10.6 and any other latest version. So system is fully web based. The only software you will need is a compatible browser and any software required by your camera or microphone. आप कौन से ब्राउजर यूज कर पाओगे? विंडोज में यू कैन यूज गूगल क्रोम और फायरफॉक्स एंड मैक ओएस में भी गूगल क्रोम और फायरफॉक्स. Hardware requirements, which is generally nowadays it must be acceptable by all your laptops or PCs, that your RAM should be 1 GB or above, minimum of 64 MB of graphics memory, sound card microphone that is internal or uses a standard 3.5 mm jack, webcam should be there, processor that is x86 compatible and is 1 GHz or faster. Now there are certain technical checks that you have to perform, so you can easily check whether your equipment meets the technical requirements or not. कैसे आप इस link पर click करोगे, ठीक है, and you will see this dialog box opening. So see, system requirements check. Please ensure you are running these checks on a system that will be used for the examination. So operating system पे ऐसे टिक बना हुआ आ जाएगा. Screen resolution अगर उनको मैच नहीं कर रहा, लाइक अभी मैं जिस सिस्टम से रिकॉर्ड कर रही हूँ तो वहाँ पे स्क्रीन रेजोल्यूशन का ये क्राइटेरिया फुलफिल नहीं कर रहा, तो दैट इज बाय वहाँ पे ऐसे बना हुआ आ गया. ब्राउजर दिस, जावास्क्रिप्ट, ऑडियो कैप्चर, माइक्रोफोन, वेबकैम अभी इनेबल्ड नहीं है तो दैट इज वाई इट इज शोइंग लाइक दिस. ऑडियो चेक, आप ऑडियो भी चेक करोगे बिकॉज योर माइक हैज टू बी ऑन. सो यहाँ पर आप क्लिक करके रिकॉर्ड कर सकते हो एंड देन यू कैन जस्ट लिसन टू योर recording as well. So these are the technical requirements that you should always check and you should check before the exam. जिसमें भी आप अपना एग्जाम प्लान करने का सोच रहे हो, do check this. Internet speed is 1 Mbps generally, which is recommended for uploading and downloading, but we recommend an upload and download speed of 2 Mbps where possible. यहीं पर आपका internet speed test करने का भी option दिया है इन्होंने, you can check it. Generally मतलब this is something which everyone has, so you can just ignore it. Next is to check you can connect to the new exam system. Please click on the following links. यहाँ पे आपका सक्सेसफुल होना चाहिए, तो जैसे जैसे आप क्लिक करोगे वहाँ पे सक्सेसफुल का ऑप्शन आएगा. योर एक्सेस इज सक्सेसफुल. इस पे भी सक्सेसफुल आया है. So the point of this checking is that you are able to connect to the links. If you are able to connect to the links, that means your system is compatible for the new exam system. So do check these links and ऐसे successful आना चाहिए. So we recommend you test access on the equipment and internet connection you intend to use to sit for your exams. अब ये भी एक चीज इम्पॉर्टेंट सेक्शन है दैट यू कैन टेस्ट योर कनेक्शन टू अ न्यू एग्जाम सिस्टम एट एनी टाइम यूजिंग आवर टेक्निकल रेडीनेस चेक जो अभी हमने ऊपर किया, और यू कैन यूज वन ऑफ आवर फेमिलराइजेशन एग्जाम्स. टेस्टिंग योर कनेक्शन विल गिव यू टाइम टू ट्राई टू ऑल्टरनेट कॉन्फ़िगरेशंस. ठीक है, सो अभी मैं आपको फेमिलराइजेशन एग्जाम्स क्लिक करके एक बार दिखा दूंगी. You can see this. So launch date is April 2024. OBA base started for CB1 and CB2. Familiarization exams भी इन्होंने रिलीज करे हैं. टेक्निकल रेडनेस चेक भी रिलीज करा है, जो अभी हमने ये सारा गो थ्रू किया. Why are we introducing for more robust, technologically advanced and forward-looking service to our candidates? How is it different from the other? This is very, very important. How is the new exam system different to your current system? The system will offer you a new experience when sitting IFOA exams. Once launched and where possible, you will answer exam questions directly within the system rather than using any Word file or Excel file. Because आपका एक पोर्टल पे ही वहाँ पे पेपर डाउनलोडिंग का ऑप्शन है, डायरेक्टली वो नया पूरा लिंक लेकर आपको नए पोर्टल पे जाता है, कोई आपको वर्ड फाइल की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है. Remote invigilation technology will be used to monitor your exam for integrity purposes. If you are sitting one of our new OBA based assessment, you will be invigilated in real time. All other assessments will be recorded and monitored by invigilators at the end of your examination. You will need to complete onboarding activities भी है, जैसे आपको बोलेगा अपना environment verify करवाओ, अपनी identification proof करो before the exam. So all these activities will be there for your new portal. Will I still answer exams in Microsoft Word or Excel? As of now, for the new subjects in which the system has been launched, आपको Word file या Excel file नहीं use करनी. Will my exam be invigilated? Yes, we will be implementing remote invigilation for all exams that are hosted on the new exam system. You require access to internet. क्या क्या equipments चाहिए? PC और laptop जिसमें web camera और audio enabled हो. प्रैक्टिस के लिए उन्होंने फेमिलराइजेशन एग्जाम्स दिए. आप अपना एग्जाम घर पे दे सकते हो या ऑफिस में दे सकते हो. कैन आई टेक स्टडी नोट्स इन टू माई एग्जाम, ये भी बहुत कॉमन क्वेश्चन है. येस, आर एग्जाम्स रिमेन ओपन बुक. यू कैन टेक योर स्टडी रिसोर्सेज इन टू एग्जाम और रेफर टू इलेक्ट्रॉनिक रिसोर्सेज ऑन द सेम डिवाइस एज you sit the exam. You will not be able to refer to online or electronic resources on a second device, for example on an iPad or tablet. How are you testing the new exam system? अब बहुत सारी अभी updates और आने हैं which will be coming in later December or in the first week of January, जिसमें और clarity clear हो जाएगी. So OBA based के लिए you as you know कि CB1 and CB2 are delivered for OBA based and practice questions के लिए familiarization exams हैं. ठीक है. Now let me take you through familiarization exams. So this is basically trial exam to see how your real exam will look like. So कुछ guide है that make sure you only open one familiarization exam at a time using the links provided. You can sit the same familiarization exam multiple times and you can take break as well. So ये एक important है. देखो, candidates planning to sit for SA, SP और CP1 exams can sit a familiarization exam in a new online exam environment. So let's just access a quick familiarization exam to see that how exactly the exam will be there. So you can see this और ऊपर timer चल रहा है. So your screen is getting recorded as well. So welcome to the familiarization exam. You can see like this. आपके पास this is the way आप ऐसे आप आगे forward कर सकते हो. यहाँ पर आप अपने आंसर दे सकते हो and you can use italics or change the format as well. This is the question and here you can write your answer. This will look like this. There are certain tools like if you want to use any notepad, you can use that. If you want to highlight a particular section while reading the question, you can do that. If you want to change your theme which is irrelevant, you can do that. But you can use notepad or highlighter if you are comfortable with highlighting certain keywords while doing your exam. So similarly, if you want to skip one question and move to another question, you can do like this and can attempt the forward question first and come back again to the previous question. And you can see the timer is continuously on. So this is how your exam will look like for CP1, for SPs and SA subjects. Now for CB1 and CB2, although I have already told in orientation sessions, but just let me take you quickly to the familiarization exam of CB1 and CB2. So as you know, it is 1 hour 40 minutes exam now for CB1 and 2 hours for CB2. So ऐसे आपके पास MCQs objective based questions आएंगे. I have to choose this. I can see my answer because this is a familiarization exam. The answer is also given to you. Move ahead. You can like this is a fill in the blanks question. So this is how options are provided to you, and then again you can move ahead. There is a bit time lag. You can see it is taking time to move to the next question. So as of now there is a lag there. So they are working on it. So let's see if it improves further. So this is CB1 exam. Now let us just quickly go through CB2. It's almost same. So syllabus में कुछ भी change नहीं आया है. The way of answering the question, the way of asking for the questions has changed basically for CB1 and CB2. And but ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको कुछ पढ़ना नहीं है या it is very easy to clear exam. It is again difficult because the exams are completely application based now. अब आपको ऐसा नहीं है कि graph मुझे पता नहीं होना चाहिए, आपको graph पता होना चाहिए because with the help of this graph you are supposed to answer certain questions. So if you don't understand the graph well, you may not be able to answer your questions. So this is way of accessing CB2. ठीक है, सो ये कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट अपडेट्स थे IFOA के न्यू पोर्टल के. सो आई थॉट ऑफ कमिंग अप विद दिस वीडियो. वी विल बी लॉन्चिंग मोर वीडियोज फर्दर एज वी कीप ऑन गेटिंग फर्दर अपडेट्स फ्रॉम IFOA साइड. So that's it. Thank you.